How to see your current transits. First, go to astro.com, then click on Free Horoscopes. Now click on the Extended Chart selection. Since we are logged in, we can see our saved charts. Click here to see the different chart types. Now select Natal Chart and Transits. And now press this button to show the chart. The chart will be displayed afterwards. You will see your birth chart with green planets around it, the transiting planets. You can easily see which houses they are currently transiting on. Here you can see a table with your natal placements in blue, transits in green. We can also see and download a more detailed version of the chart in PDF. Here we can see a PDF file with more detailed information. The first page displays your natal placements and aspects. In the second page we can see the transits and a table of aspects to the natal chart. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial.